Spochkamiz ham bor qizlar. Bu ham dud emas, Leningrad, Rossiya mana. Ham uzungina mana, tekis tiniq. Nonna spochka. Nonnani ham rosa ko'p sotaman, ko'pchilik biladi mana. Mana bunday qilsa tekis bo'lyapti mana. Bu ham har kun taqqani zo'r, udobniy. 583 probada eski Leningrad Rebey glazuramiz bor. Bilasizlar, bu 583 probalar qalin, og'ir chiqqan ko'rinishi shunaqa ixchamroq bo'lgan bilan o'zlari rosa ham qalin, og'ir bo'ladi mana probalari ham. Ular mulk tilla, qadimgi, mana baquvvat, yotib turib taqqani ham, lekin ilashmaydigan, botmaydigan yaxshi zira. Qizlar mustahkam, qalin. 583 probada shunaqa qadimgi shoh uzugimizdan bor. Mana juda ham chiroyli, go'zal. Mana probalari ham chotki, go'zal holatda. Uzugimizdan qizlar brilliant uzuk. Mana taylari bilan qalin, chiroyli, pechatlari bosma pechat. Mana juda ham qo'lda go'zal turadigan narsa qizlar.
Our necklace arrived for the sisters who asked for it. It is in very beautiful condition. These are not duddy, girls. We also have After our snake, this one with a pendant. This snake is something that never goes out of fashion. This one is also light with a clone. How beautiful it looks on the neck. Here is this pendant worn. Girls, the Sepachka is new. I put this pendant on this new, unworn Sepachka. This time we did not have enough for many. Here it came. Girls, this is also very beautiful. Here are the earrings. The pendant is from the brand Love It.